In a world filled with health supplements and remedies, one powerful and versatile oil stands out from the rest: the oregano oil. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey to explore the incredible health benefits that this botanical powerhouse has to offer. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed. First things first, let's talk about what makes oregano oil so special. Derived from the leaves of the oregano plant, this oil is packed with powerful compounds like carvacrol, thymol, and rosmarinic acid, which have been shown to have numerous health benefits. Number 1. Immune system booster. To understand why oregano oil is a natural anti-inflammatory, let's first demystify inflammation. When our body encounters injury or infection, inflammation is the immune system's way of fighting off threats. However, chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our health and is linked to various diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Number 2. Natural anti-inflammatory. Oregano oil packed with a compound called carvacrol. Oregano oil possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat inflammation naturally. Extensive scientific research backs up this claim. Various studies have shown that oregano oil effectively inhibits the production of inflammatory compounds in the body, providing relief from pain, swelling, and discomfort. Number 3. Respiratory rescue. Scientists have discovered that oregano oil contains compounds like carvacrol and thymol, renowned for their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties make it a formidable tool in combating respiratory conditions. When you ingest oregano oil, it quickly gets to work, targeting the root causes of respiratory discomfort. It acts as a natural expectorant, helping to break down mucus and easing congestion. It also possesses bronchodilatory properties, opening up your airways for easier breathing. Number 4. Digestive dynamo. Science has shown that oregano oil possesses incredible digestive benefits. Packed with powerful compounds such as carvacrol and thymol, this golden elixir works wonders in promoting digestion, soothing stomach discomforts, and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. But what exactly makes oregano oil a digestive dynamo? Firstly, it possesses strong antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help ward off harmful bacteria in our digestive tract, ensuring optimal gut health. Additionally, oregano oil has been found to reduce inflammation in the digestive system, relieving symptoms of bloating, gas, and indigestion. It acts as a natural digestive aid, stimulating the production of enzymes and gastric juices, which improves our digestion. Number 5. Empowering skin health. Numerous studies have shown that oregano oil possesses powerful antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a natural shield against common skin concerns. Whether you struggle with acne, eczema, or even signs of premature aging, oregano oil has got your back, or rather your skin. Applying just a few drops of this potent oil to your skin can work wonders. It helps to regulate sebum production, keeping your complexion balanced and preventing unwanted breakouts. With regular use, you'll notice improved skin texture, reduced redness, and diminished blemishes. Oregano oil truly takes your skincare routine to a whole new level. What makes oregano oil truly remarkable is its natural ability to combat harmful free radicals and promote collagen production. This means it helps to tighten and firm the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 6. Supporting mental well-being. One incredible way to experience the mood-enhancing effects of oregano oil is through aromatherapy. By diffusing a few drops of this aromatic elixir, you'll fill your space with this delightful scent, instantly uplifting your spirits and creating a serene environment conducive to mental well-being. Now remember, while oregano oil boasts remarkable mental well-being benefits, it's important to integrate it into a balanced lifestyle. Consult with a healthcare professional before adding any supplements to your routine, especially if you're currently under medical care. You might wonder how to make oregano oil then? Making oregano oil is surprisingly simple, and with just a few ingredients and a little patience, you can create a potent tincture that will leave you amazed. So let me break it down for you. Here's what you'll need are fresh oregano leaves, extra virgin olive oil, a glass jar with an airtight lid, a pot or slow cooker, cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer. First, take a bunch of fresh oregano leaves and gently crush them to release their aromatic oils. Place them into your glass jar, ensuring it's filled to about 3/4 full. Now, slowly pour the extra virgin olive oil into the jar, covering the oregano leaves completely. Seal the jar tightly and place it in a pot or slow cooker with enough water to reach halfway up the jar. Slowly heat it on low for about 2-3 hours, ensuring that the oil remains warm but doesn't boil. Once the infusion process is complete, Remove the jar from the heat and let it cool down completely. This allows the flavors and beneficial compounds to meld beautifully. Now it's time to strain your homemade oregano oil. Take the cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer and carefully pour the oil through it into a clean, airtight container. Gently press the oregano leaves to extract every last drop of precious oil. And there you have it, your very own homemade oregano oil. This aromatic elixir can be used in various ways, such as adding it to salad dressings, marinades, or simply for a revitalizing massage oil. Now, when it comes to taking oregano oil, there are a few methods you can consider. One popular option is to use oregano oil capsules. These capsules typically contain a concentrated form of the oil, making it easy to consume and control your dosage. Simply swallow these capsules with water according to the instructions on the packaging, and you're good to go. But if you prefer a more customized approach, then oregano oil in liquid form might be your best bet. Using a dropper, you can add a few drops of oregano oil to a glass of water or juice. Make sure to mix it well before drinking and always read the dosage instructions carefully. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start with a small amount and gradually increase if necessary. Another innovative way to incorporate this fragrant and potent oil into your routine is by using it in your cooking. Oregano oil can be a fantastic addition to your favorite recipes, especially those that call for oregano spice. Just a drop or two of oregano oil can elevate your dishes with its distinct flavor and health benefits. However, it's important to note that heating oregano oil can diminish some of its therapeutic properties, so try adding it towards the end of the cooking process to preserve its potency. So there you have the benefits of oregano oil. It's incredible to witness the numerous benefits this magical oil brings to our lives. Thanks for joining me on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating videos like this. Thank you, and we will see you in our next video.